Today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play Kick Out the Jams by the MC5 off of the Kick Out the Jams record. But before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe on YouTube. I'll be posting new videos every week. And here we go. Alright, so this one's a pretty fun one. It's a really cool jam song. It's pretty simple, but it's a lot of fun to play. There's two guitar parts, and the song's in E. Wayne Kramer's guitar, the first guitar, starts off playing this pattern. And so you're gonna play an E power chord, and then you're gonna bend with your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string. So, and then you're gonna slide up to an A power chord. So all together it sounds like this. And it plays that a few times through, and then it goes to the kind of bridge chorusy part. And that's going to go like this. Alright, so that bridgy chorus part is pretty much all power chords. You're going to play an A to a B. Then you're going to play this D power chord, which also incorporates the lower, the E string on the 5th fret. So you play like this. Has that kind of deeper, darker tone to it, but it's still a power chord. So again, it's... go to an open E chord, and then a D, then slide. And that's it for the first guitar. Now the second guitar is going to be playing kind of an octave higher with power chords, pretty much power chords the whole time through, and playing pretty similar rhythm. So the higher guitar is going to go like this. So one more time. And then it goes right back through. And the intro part is also the chorus. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but really fun to jam on. And then I'm not going to go through the whole lead because it's pretty much, a lot of the MC5 stuff's pretty ad-lib, but it has kind of a bass structure to it. But it's going to be in the E scale, and it's minor pentatonic, a lot in this 12th position. So it kind of starts off with these bends. It sounds like he uses the neck pickup. So I'll just switch that. But it's basically like it starts off with these kind of bends with using your ring finger on the 15th fret and your index finger on the 12th fret of the E string. So it goes like this. And basically just kind of... And then up to the 15th fret on the high E. So... And then there's these kind of, these cool sounds you can hear in the solo where it sounds like ring finger on the 15th fret of the B, and then your middle finger on the 14th fret of the G string. And it does these kind of like squirrely bends. So it goes something like... And then you can just kind of play around with the scale. You can slide it down to different positions, but it's mostly right up in here, and it goes up a little higher too, like maybe the 15th, 17th fret. But yeah, so that's it for this song. I hope you liked the lesson. Remember to like this video and subscribe on YouTube. I'll be posting new videos every week, and I'll see you next time.